Ukraine's drone army scouring, Russia's position after equipment and resources. Russia places many resources in abandoned buildings in hope to avoid Ukraine's drone army, but as they themselves give up the position when they travel and move in the area, Ukraine's drone operators can clean it from Russian resources, but Russia often doesn't make it nearly as hard, placing many resources out in the open, not even with any form of protection. Here a box of anti-tank mines with a Ukrainian FPV drone could make easy work of leaving a crater instead of mines, destroying more of Russia's resources, leaving less for